Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. So students, welcome back to your semester 2. As you have performed very well in your semester 1 exams, I want you all to work hard in your new semester also. So what we will be starting in our second sem? Yes, we will start with our subject English Grammar. We have completed till 13th chapter. Now we will move further to chapter 14, verbs. So children, take out your grammar textbook, page number 44. I'll show you a video and you will underline the important points. I'll make you mark, underline the important points, okay? So on your page number 44, read these sentences. You have to read these sentences. After reading these sentences, you will come to know what are verbs, okay? I'll tell you in short, verbs are doing words when any action is shown. For example, Siddharth is playing. So, playing is action word. What he is doing? Playing. Vanshita is dancing. So, what is action word? Dancing. Like this, let us move further. Jyoti plays the piano. What is Jyoti doing? Plays. She is playing the piano. So, plays is our verb. Next, Shashi goes to school. Shashi goes to school. So, what is Shashi doing here? Shashi is, so which is the action word here? Goes. He is doing some action when he is going from one place to another. So, goes will be the verb. Next sentence, if you see in your book, it is the baby is crying. Now, what is the baby doing? What work is the baby doing? Crying. So, crying will be our verb. Now, let us understand words like play, goes, is crying are action words. Some action is shown here. So, they are action words that tell us what a person does or is doing. Such words tell us what a person is doing or does. Such words which tell us about the action of a person are called verbs. Underline this. Which words tell us about verbs? Words which tell us about the action of a person. Underline action of a person are called verbs. Let us know more about verbs. See, first you underline this. The definition of verbs, okay? Then we will move further in your textbook. So children, mark this table important in your textbook. A verb mainly tells us three things. 1, 2 and 3. A verb mainly tells us three things. Let us understand which three things. The first one. What a person or animal or thing does. Verb हमको क्या बताता है? कोई person, animal या thing क्या कर रहा है? What it does. Okay, the first thing. Second thing, what does the verb tell us? Let us see. What a person or animal or thing has. Second thing हमको verb क्या बताता है? That एक person, animal या thing के पास क्या है? What it has. Okay. Next, third thing, let us see. What a person or animal or thing. This remains common in all the 3 points. Person, animal or thing. What a person, animal or thing is. For example, Adhya is a singer. So, हमको क्या पता चला verb से that आध्या क्या है? Singer. Okay, because she sings well. So, verb से हमको एक पता चलता है what a person or thing does what it has, does, has and is. 3 things you have to remember. Now below this table you might see a pink box in your textbook. Underline that box and mark it important. It is the definition of verb. A verb expresses what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, and what a person or thing has. The table which we studied, this is just that table in a written form. Okay. So mark this table in your textbook important for the exam point of view. Now verbs tell us what a person, animal or thing does. आपने ये समझ लिया that verbs क्या बताता है, what person, animal or thing does. Now let us see some examples of this first point. Examples. See, the boy plays in the garden. What is this boy doing? Playing in the garden. So हमको पता चला plays word से that he is playing. The boy plays in the garden. Second, Jyoti goes to school. Which is the action word here? Goes. She is going from one place to another. So Jyoti goes to school से हमको पता चला what a person does, what she is doing. Third, she studies very hard. She studies very hard. With the verb studies. Study is the action word. You came to know what she is doing. Okay. Now mark these examples. We will move further. The word plays, goes and studies express action. Which words express action? Underline. कौन से word से हमको कोई action का पता चलता है? Plays. Plays action. Goes and studies. Okay. These are all action words. They tell what person or things do. Examples of verbs that belong to this category are, some more examples which belong to this category are come, call, read. Come is action, call is action, read is action and so on. Okay. Verbs tell us what a person, animal or thing is. Second point हमने क्या पढ़ी थी? First point, what person, animal or thing does. And I explained you it with examples. अब हम examples देखेंगे. Verbs tell us what a person, animal or thing is. Okay. Let us read the following sentences. Is means वो क्या है? For example, Meena is a student. So यहाँ पे verb क्या है? Is. Okay. Meena is a student. अगर is नहीं होता तो ये sentence क्या होता? Incomplete. Meena a student. No. Then Rahul will be happy to hear the news. Rahul will be happy to hear the news. Now what is the verb here? See, Rahul is a noun. Okay. Then happy to hear the news is also not verb. What will be the verb? Will be. Okay. Will be is a verb. Then third, Mrs. Verma was a kind lady. Mrs. Verma was a kind lady. So was. Okay. Kind तो adjective हो गया. Was will be the verb. So such words is, was, will be are verbs which tell us what a person or thing is. Okay. Is, will be, was tell us about Meena, Rahul and Mrs. Verma. These words do not tell us what these persons are doing. They tell us what they are. Here are some verbs that tell us what a person or thing is. What a person or thing is के कुछ और examples like is, are, am. These short words, they are also verbs. Is, am, was, were, will be, shall be. Okay children. So now we discussed 3 parts: what a person or animal or thing does with examples, what a person, animal or thing is with examples. Now what a person, animal or thing has will continue in our next video. So children, till then revise this. Take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.